Tips for honing your skills in affiliate marketing. Maybe you've been interested in affiliate marketing, but you aren't sure where to start. It can seem confusing at first, but setting up an affiliate program for your website is actually surprisingly easy. In a few simple steps, you can start a great affiliate program that will bring in a steady income. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Some affiliate companies will want you to sign an exclusivity clause, but you should avoid doing this. Pay attention to the fine print in any affiliate agreement. If you ever want to branch out and use your site to promote other products, make sure the company you're choosing now will not try to prohibit your growth in the future. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. Recurring visitors to your affiliate site will think the site is stale and not updated if your ads are in the same location every time they arrive. So in order to change the ad locations, find an ad rotator plugin to use on your blog or website to ensure that the scenery changes on a regular basis. To keep your affiliate marketing business generating the most money for you, you should use an autoresponder. This will send them a series of emails or tweets that keep bringing your affiliate marketing product in front of them, which will increase the chance that they will click through and buy. If a marketing aspect just is not working for your company, do not be afraid to cut it off. If no one on your mailing list likes receiving newsletters, and you have noticed that many people have unsubscribed, there is no reason to continue sending them out. Simply explain to the remaining subscribers that you will no longer be continuing the letter. Once you know what you are doing, setting up an effective and profitable affiliate marketing program is a snap. Before you know it, you'll be earning money and attracting more visitors to your site. Just remember what you've learned in this video, and you'll have no trouble getting your affiliate program going. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.